Hi everybody, welcome to my video about three-dimensional shapes. As you can see, I'm back in our classroom and I saw our calendar and I noticed it had all sorts of three-dimensional shapes that we had been learning about. So I thought I would make a little video to remind you about what each one was and give you a little challenge at the end. So make sure you watch the whole thing so you know what your job's going to be. So if you remember, a two-dimensional shape are shapes that we could draw on a piece of paper, like this square. A square goes side to side and up and down, so it can go in two directions, but it's totally flat, so I can't grab it or pick it up off the page. A three-dimensional shape is like this. Does anyone know what this shape's called? Do we remember? That's right, it's a cube. A cube is like a square, but it goes side to side, up and down, and you can also grab it, and so it comes up off the page in three directions. So a cube is a square on every single side. So no matter which way you turn it, you're going to see a square. That makes it a cube. Similar to a cube, if we grabbed it and we stretched it out a little bit, we would get a rectangular prism. Do we remember that really big word? Can everyone say rectangular prism for me? Good job. Rectangular prism means it is a shape of a rectangle on two sides. So when you turn it, you're going to see a rectangle, rectangle, rectangle. So the ends might look more like squares. It has two ends, but the big sides are going to look like rectangles. Can everyone say rectangular prism one more time? Good job. Can you think of anything in your house or that you've seen before that's the shape of a rectangular prism? I was thinking of Charlie and the Chocolate Factory, and this kind of looks like a chocolate bar. Do you think? Awesome. All right, our next shape that we've been learning about, does anyone remember what this is called? It's round on two ends and stretched out. That's right, this is a cylinder. Can everyone say cylinder? Good job. So it's round on two ends, and I can roll it between my hands. It's like a log. I'm trying to think of things that might be the shape of a cylinder. Can you think of anything in your house? I have another cylinder here that's just a short version. So they can come in all different sizes, but remember, round on two ends, and you could roll it in your hands. Similar to a cylinder, there's one of these. Who remembers what this is called? That's right, this is a cone. Can you say cone? I remember it because it looks like a ice cream cone. Put a big scoop of chocolate ice cream on there. So just like a cylinder, it has one side that's round, except it doesn't have another round side. It goes to a point at the end instead. So a cylinder has two round sides, whereas a cone just has one because it goes to a point. But you could still kind of roll it in your hands. Can we think of anything else besides an ice cream cone that this reminds you of? Our last shape is this one. Does anyone remember what this one's called? That's right, a pyramid. Can everyone say pyramid for me? Good. So like a cube, it has one side that's square, but the other sides are triangles. So each triangle goes up to a point, kind of like a cone goes to a point. Can you see how they both come to a point at the end? But a cone is round all the way around, and a pyramid is flat on the sides and has corners, so you can't really roll it. So that's a pyramid. Your challenge for the day is to go around your house and try and find as many things as you can that match these three-dimensional shapes. So see if you can find a pyramid, a cone, a cube, a cylinder, and a rectangular prism. Make sure you send me a picture or a video of all of the stuff that you find around your house. Bye guys, I miss you.